Toyota has just dropped a bombshell on the car world. The GR Supra A90 Final Edition is here, and the price tag absolutely insane. At over $155,000, it costs more than a brand new Porsche 911. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. So, let's talk numbers. The GR Supra A90 Final Edition will set you back 142,800 euros in Germany and 144,000 euros. In France, that's around $155,000 to $157,000. Just to put that in perspective, that's $15,000 more than a base Porsche 911 Carrera. Even the track-focused 911 Carrera T is cheaper. So, what exactly are you paying for? Toyota didn't just slap a Final Edition badge on this and call it a day. This Supra is a beast. First off, it's only available in black, and it gets an aggressive new aero kit with a vented hood, a massive carbon fiber rear wing, a front splitter and canopets. You also get an Akrapovic titanium exhaust with an afterburner effect, because why not add some drama to the sound? It sits on 19-inch front and 20-inch rear titanium black wheels, paired with red Brembo brake calipers. And if you're into performance, this thing is loaded KW adjustable suspension, stiffer stabilizers, extra camber, and upgraded Brembo brakes. Under the hood, Toyota has cranked up the power. The turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six borrowed from BMW now pumps out 429 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque. That's an increase of 94 horsepower and 70 Nm compared to the standard GR Supra. And here's the best part, it's all sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota's making sure this is a proper driver's car. Now, before you rush to grab one, good luck. Toyota is only making 300 units for Japan and Europe, and you might need to enter a lottery just to secure a spot. Initially, Japan was supposed to get 200 units, but that's now down to 150, leaving the other half for European buyers. Japanese pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but reports suggest it'll be around 15 million yuan, or roughly $100,000. That's still a hefty price, but significantly cheaper than what Europe is paying. So, what do you think? Is the GR Supra A90 Final Edition worth the price? Or would you rather get a Porsche 911 for less money? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Until next time, keep driving and stay fast.